Today we are transforming this into this, and doing it in under an hour. Here's how. Step 1. I started by measuring the closet walls. In my case, the length was 35 inches, and I wanted the depth to be about 22 inches. To leave a little breathing room, I cut the back support board at 33 inches. Then I measured and cut two side support pieces at 20 inches each. Since I already had some plywood in my garage, I used it for the shelf itself, cutting a piece at 35 inches by 21 inches. I like working with what I have, so I stacked a square on top of the plywood to help me mark a straight cutting line. Using a circular saw and a Kreg rip cut guide, I cut the long side. I did freehand the shorter side though, and I think I did pretty well here. Step 2. Back inside, I measured 70 inches up for the shelf height, leaving space for additional shelves in the future. Next, I checked for studs on both side walls. I only found one stud per side, so I ended up having to use wall anchors to provide extra support where needed. After that, I marked the stud location on my 1x2 boards and drilled pilot holes. This is where you want to use a level to ensure the plywood sits evenly across the supports. With the pilot holes drilled, it was time to install the 1x2 supports and double check the fitment again. Again, always use a level. This guarantees that the shelf will be straight and secure. Finally, I placed the plywood shelf on top, and voila, I just added my own custom shelf to the closet. Eventually I'll paint it to finish the look, but for now I've basically doubled the floor space in this closet. This is a super quick and effective way to get more storage out of your living space. My next mission will be installing LED lights in my garage ceiling, so if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.